Hi guys, welcome to another video. I've got a really exciting one today. So I've just had this massive box turn up. I can't even show you it, look, because it is that big. So this is a friend mail / Christmas present from my buddy Aggie. I think most of you guys know Unpolished by Aggie. If you don't, I shall leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below. So go over and check her out if you don't know her, because this girl is so talented and she's really, really funny as well. So yeah, if you don't know her, please head over and check her out. So let's have a look what's in the box, shall we? The first thing she sent me is some cuticle nippers, and they're gold as well. Look at them. They're posh ones, aren't they? Now, I knew about these because I'd asked her if she had any old ones laying about, because I could have done with some to remove my crystals. But she only had these new ones, so she sent me these, bless her. Thank you, chick. So now I can use these as my new good ones, and my ones I can use to remove my crystals. Oh, and she made me a new acetone label. So in a previous friend mail, Aggie sent me one of these amazing glass bottles with the pink acetone in it. But look what happened. I broke it. I really broke it. I was so upset. Look at the state of that. So now I can put a new label on it. So I'm really, really pleased with that. Thank you, chick. Oh, my days. I can't wait to get this loaded. So this, look at it. It's so posh. These are really expensive, guys. It even comes in like a dust bag thing as well. So this is a folder to put my glitters in, or my foils. I'm not sure what's going in it yet, but look, it's a zip one, which is great because it keeps it all together so they can't fall out. And then it's got all these sleeves in it as well. So it's got the 4 pockets. You just slide your glitters in there. These feel such good quality, and look how many there is. I don't even know how many there is, but look at all these. It's really, really good quality. What I like about this is the folders that I've got at the minute, the sleeves are all stuck together. You can't open this. So when I buy new glitters or new foils, I have to, because I have them all in a like colour order and things. Say if I've got my silver glitters first, and then I buy another silver glitter, I have to shift everything back to fit it in there with my silver glitters. And it's so annoying. So at least with these, I can undo that, pull one from the back, and just slot it in wherever I need to slot it in. That is going to make my life so easy. Thank you so much, chick. This feels amazing quality. It's super padded. This is Pokemon as well. I love it. Thank you so much, chick. That is going to get filled tonight. I am just starting to organise all my nail stuff again, so that's going to help with my organisation. Now, this last one, guys, is amazing. This girl knows how much I have always wanted a Christmas nail art calendar. And every year, I've missed out on getting one by the skin of my teeth. So, bless her heart, she's only going to send me a Mylee Christmas calendar. Can you believe that? Wow, it's so pretty. So it says, get your claws into this. Look inside the box. So this comes in this box. It's so posh. There's the contact details if anyone would like them. So there's the Instagram, there's their Facebook, and there is their website address. Wow, I can't believe I finally got a Christmas calendar. So let's have a look. Joe Manny's at Hotham Advent Calendar 2022. Illustration by Alice Skinner. So this is where just open it, yeah. So open it here like this. And then that's inside the calendar. So this is the 12 Days of Christmas calendar. Now, I don't know whether you're supposed to open it from the 1st till the 12th, but to me, that's not the 12 Days of Christmas. The 12 Days of Christmas is the 12 days coming up to Christmas. So starting on the 13th, I'm going to open number 12. I might be doing this all backward, but I don't care. It's my calendar and I can do what I want with it. And in my eyes, this is the 12 Days of Christmas. So on the 13th, I'm going to open number 12 because that's 12 days until Christmas, 12 more sleeps. And we're going to go downwards, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And I'm going to open one every day and we're going to take a look at it. So keep your eyes peeled for this video coming up, guys, so you can take a little sneaky peek what's behind all the doors. So like I say, that's going to be starting from the 13th of December, guys, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. So that is everything for today's video, guys. A really exciting one. Like I said, I'm going to leave all the links to Aggie's social media in my description box below, so please go check her out if you don't know her already. I want to say a massive thank you, Aggie, for all of my Christmas presents. As for the calendar, I'm absolutely blown away. That's the most thoughtfulest thing anyone has ever done for me. Thank you so much, chick. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.